Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead in the back. Who are you and where are you from?
Me?
Yeah, you. Guy looks like he's shocked. That's not. This is going to be not good.
It's going to be good,
The guy
sir.
looks totally like stunned. Have you ever been picked before for a question?
Yes, sir, but not from President of the
Go
United
ahead.
States.
Go ahead. Give me a question.
Thank you very much. My name is Majid Gili from Rudao Media Network. I want to, sir, ask you, you always talk about
Excuse me, you said where? From where?
Rudao Media Network from Kurdistan region, north
Okay.
of Iraq. I'm a Kurd.
Good. Good.
Sir,
Great people.
thank you, sir.
Great
Mr.
people.
President, Mr. President,
Thank you.
I wanna,
Are you a Kurd?
Mr. President,
Good.
uh,
They're
Mr.
great
President-
people. They're great fighters. I like them a lot. Let's go. I like this
Mr.
question
President,
so far.
you always say you support your allies. Kurds right now, after the defeat of ISIS, are under a lot of pressure in Syria and in Iraq by many adversaries.
It's true.
What will you do to elevate their position, to support them, in order after they help the United States to defeat ISIS?
Well,
Thank
we
you very
are
much.
helping them a lot, and we've been very friendly with them. And as you know, we've fought side by side. And we have defeated ISIS, essentially, a very short while ago in the Middle East. And we did it with a lot of help from the Kurds. And they're great fighters. You know, some people are great fighters, and some people aren't. The Kurds are great fighters, and they're great, great people. And we're discussing that situation exactly right now.
What will you do to support them, sir?
Well,
in
I'm
Iraq
just
and
telling you,
Syria?
we're going to be discussing that situation. We have already started discussing that situation, but we have had tremendous support from the Kurds in defeating ISIS. Yes, please, Mr. Kurd.
American Kurd, Mr. President.
Go ahead.
Thank you very much for your time, Mr. President. Two quickly questions. What will be the USA relations with the Kurds
Oh, I thought I just answered
post-ISIS?
that.
Post-ISIS. And
Okay, we're trying to get along very well. We do get along great with the Kurds. We're trying to help them a lot. Don't forget, that's their territory. We have to help them. I want to help them. Go ahead. What's next? They fought with us. They fought with us. They died with us. They died. We lost tens of thousands of Kurds died fighting ISIS. They died for us and with us and for themselves. They died for themselves. But they're great people. And we have not forget. We don't forget. I don't forget what happens someday later, but I can tell you that I don't forget. These are great people. Okay. Yes, ma'am, please.
about Iran,
Please.
Mr. President, about Iran, one question. What is your clear plan to stop Iranian influence in Iraq, in Syria, and especially in Iraq?
Boy, I think you've seen that. I must tell you, I don't mind your question, because
Rahim
that
Rashidi
happens to
from
be, I'll get
Kurdistan
to in
TV.
one
Thank
second.
you.